Today's flight path? Right through the decimal nebula, where every glowing grid shows tenths and hundredths. Get ready to add and subtract decimals like a pro.
Whoa, these squares are tiny. Are they like decimal building blocks?
Exactly. Each block helps us see decimal values. Let's use models and math strategies to make sure we land on the right answers.
Let's model 6 and 73 hundredths plus 1 and 25 hundredths. Shade 6 whole grids and 73 hundredths. Shade 1 whole and 25 hundredths. When we combine them, we get 7 and 98 hundredths. That's 7 wholes and 98 hundredths.
Let's break it down. Hundredths. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Tenths. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Ones. 5 minus 2 equals 3.
Final answer, 3 and 33 hundredths. Neat and clean. Let's stack and solve. 2 plus 9 equals 11. Write 1, carry 1. 6 plus 1 equals 8. 7 plus 3 equals 10.
Final answer, 10 and 81 hundredths. Decimals work just like whole numbers. Line them up.
Let's go. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 9 minus 5 equals 4.
Answer, 4 and 41 hundredths.
Step-by-step strategy time. First, 2 and 35 hundredths plus 6 and 14 hundredths equals 8 and 49 hundredths. Then, 8 and 49 hundredths plus 1 and 51 hundredths equals 10 and 0 hundredths.
That's a perfect decimal touchdown.
Round to nearest whole. 6 and 1/10, approximately equal to 6. 3 and 8/10, approximately equal to 4.
Estimate. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Fast and helpful.
Let's review. Line up the decimals. Use models to visualize. Break it down by place value. Estimate to check if your answer makes sense.
Decimals may look small, but they add up fast.
With these tools, we're totally decimal dynamos.